Samantha from Creative Pouring. This is my black, white and red take 2. I did a straight pour just earlier. It's just there, it's a bit wet and I've got all this paint left, so I am going to finish what paint I've got left, chuck it in there and then do another straight pour on this canvas, 30 centimetres by 40 centimetres. The pouring medium is Elmer's glue, school glue, with a little bit of Liquitex pouring medium and water, and it does have silicone in it. Now I'm just going to dump the rest of this like a dirty pour. It's not going to be a ring pour, so now I'm just going to dump it in. And then it's all gone. So this is, I think it was Pebeo Black, Pebeo White, because that's been made up for quite some time since my black and white silver pour, and let's just put the rest of this black in. There's not much left in here, but I'm just going to stick it in. Big old pot. And then I'll finish off with this. I don't want too much paint in there because I had too much last time. Let's just dump a bit of, well, let's get rid of that. Dump a bit of this red in. So that's all I need. Okay, and I've scraped up some of my canvas and just going to water this down, this mucky mix, and I'm going to pour on top of it. This is just scrapings from the canvas that I'm making a bit thinner so it glides the paint, this paint will glide over it a little bit easier. So thin that down and then I'm just going to dirty pour it over the top. Or I'm going to dirty pour it first and then see if I need this. That's what I'm going to do because there's still quite a lot of paint there. Right, I'm just going to dirty pour it straight on. There's a little bit of gold left in there. Okay, let's just not get this too muddy. Right, I'll just move this around a little bit first and see how much paint I've got. So I might need a bit of that on the outside just to tip off. Yeah, this is just muddy mix. This will just tip off. She said hopefully. Other than that, it's a nice shade of grey. Okie dokie. Right, you see? Yeah. Now this, that jug that you just saw had got, I put at the bottom white and then I've got a bit of gold left from a previous pour, and that's that bit of gold streak there, so I definitely don't want to lose that. So I'm just going to try and walk it around a little bit first. Let's just see if I can get this to the edge and just take that off. I don't know. Oh, I like that squirrely bit. Oh, it's coming off. Okay, well let's just do this bit first and then I can come back to that corner. Let's just get to that over there. Gentle, 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 straight to the edge and then over. I want to stretch that gold out because I really like it. Okay, let me just turn it down. And then I can't hold it, slippy. Let's get down to this edge here, go over the edge, bring it back to the middle, and then down to this corner here. Let's get that off. Keep that gold. Bring it back. Come on, back you come. Back to the middle. That's another funky one. Just got to decide what to do with this corner. I really quite like this squiggle, so I don't want to lose that. But if I tip it over a little bit more, all my gold look that I didn't want to lose. Oh, I just stuck my finger in it as well. I'm alive. Got any more? A bit of red paint I could just chuck over the edge. Yes. Okay, let me just. Gently does it. Bring it down to that corner. Very gentle. I just want that little bit of grey to go over the edge without losing that white bit. So let's just see if I can gently. Could just leave it like that, couldn't I? Yeah. That is funky. Another funky one now. Decisions. Do I torch or not torch? This is the question. I'm going to do a bit of selective torching. Let me just wipe my hands. Get all this paint off. I haven't got any on the floor. Hurrah. I just do need to do a little bit of corner work before doing it. That one's okay. And that one should be okay. Okay, right, selective torching, here we go. Just down that little bit there, I think, and that's it. No more. Love this goldy streak there. It's lovely, and there's getting some beautiful little cells. I'm just going to let them sit for a little bit. I might do a bit of selective tilting, but yeah, funky. I quite like that. I'm happy with that corner, that's fine. I love this goldy streaky thing, and I'm loving that I haven't got much pink, to be honest, after I just chucked all that red and white in. And these cells are going to grow beautifully. That's a nice little cluster there, but I'm not going to do any more. No, well, there you go. I've just done 2 in a row. Really enjoyed that. Both very different. I need to do a bit of clearing up. This one is very unusual. The first one I did. Okay, let me get you down, and I'll just throw that all over your painting, Amanda. Yeah, I like the little cells. I'm not going to tilt it, make it any bigger, because I think they'll just grow nicely. So let me just take my gloves off, get the camera, so you can see the 2 different versions using the same paint. It is amazing the differences you get. Hang on then, let me just come around and get you down. Excuse the noise. There you go. Okay, so let's see when I do it like this. How am I? Oh, let me just turn you off and turn you back on again. Yeah, that's better. I can't do it the other way. So that's the first one I did, which will be on the video previous to this. I think I'll split them up, which is looking really interesting. That's the landscape. I haven't quite worked out which way it would hang. It might be this way, it might be the other way around. I'm not quite sure. Let's go and have a look around this way. Yeah, maybe that way, I think. And then that's the one I've just done there. I'll do landscape with that bit of gold running through, which has gone really nice. And then those are just the little cells that are just popping up through it now. And that's the landscape. Oh, with that horrible glare in, sorry about that. Okay, right, I shall take some photos so you can see a little bit better. And that's me for today. 2 in 1 day. What am I going to do with myself tomorrow? Dearie me. I have got a lot of varnishing to do, I must admit. I must crack on with that. But I've got no space. Look, my dining room table is full. Okay, right. That's me. I hope you're all okay, having a good day. Keep smiling, and I'll see you soon. Amanda, over and out.